Do you know that the battle between you and coccidiosis is won or lost through litter management? Coccidiosis is caused by parasites that thrive well in wet and contaminated litters. So if you rear birds on deep litter system, then prevention of coccidiosis must be your first priority. You are to enforce dry litter management, fix leaking drinkers, maintain good ventilation, and prevent moisture buildup inside the pen, because wet litter is the real enemy. Use recommended coccidiostat, especially during starter and grower phases, and maintain strict hygiene between batches. Watch for early signs like diarrhea, poor weight gain, pale combs, and sudden drop in performance. If you notice any of this, begin anti-coccidia immediately and act very fast. Always remember that when you control your litter, you have controlled coccidiosis.